Furucombo DeFi Platform Review, my usage experience. If you're looking for an all-in-one tool to simplify your decentralized finance DeFi strategies, Furucombo might just be what you need. Designed for both beginners and experienced DeFi enthusiasts, Furucombo is a drag-and-drop platform that lets you create complex DeFi strategies or combos without writing a single line of code. Its primary feature is the intuitive visual interface, which allows users to stack protocols like Lego blocks, integrating actions like swapping tokens, providing liquidity, staking, or leveraging across multiple platforms such as Uniswap, Aave, and Compound. In my experience, the standout feature of Furucombo is its simplicity combined with power. For instance, creating a multi-step DeFi transaction that would typically require multiple manual steps on different dApps can be done in one seamless flow here. You can visualize the entire process before execution, reducing errors and ensuring efficiency. This is especially helpful for users aiming to optimize yield farming or execute arbitrage opportunities. The platform is also beginner-friendly, thanks to its template library, which includes pre-built combos for common strategies. These templates are great starting points for new users, while advanced users can modify or create their own workflows from scratch. Another highlight is the transparency. Before confirming any combo, Furucombo provides a detailed breakdown of gas fees and transaction outcomes, giving you full control over your funds. However, there are limitations. While the platform supports many popular DeFi protocols, its library isn't exhaustive. Additionally, gas fees on Ethereum can make executing combos costly, especially for smaller portfolios. Furucombo has been expanding its reach to Layer 2 solutions like Polygon, which offers a cheaper alternative, but this integration is still a work in progress. From a security perspective, Furucombo has had issues in the past, including a major exploit in 2021. Since then, the team has taken steps to enhance security, but as with any DeFi tool, always exercise caution and never invest more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, Furucombo is a game changer for streamlining complex DeFi interactions. It's perfect for users looking to save time, reduce transaction errors, and maximize returns in the decentralized finance ecosystem. Despite its limitations, my experience with Furucombo has been largely positive, making it a highly recommended tool for DeFi enthusiasts aiming to simplify their strategies.